Na na na, na na na. Earth firm under me feet, heartbeat. Me carry passport, walk free, balance me. Me roots heavy with history, but me step light with dignity. Me no drag pain through the day. Me learn let go way. Way teach me how to stand strong like through along. Me honor where me come from true, but me future call to. Tradition guide me on, but me choose me land. Me move forward, head out regret. More death, heavy roots like step steel, strong will. Heavy roots like steps flow, forward go. Me see them stuck in yesterday, afraid to change way. Me keep respect yet evolve, problem solve. Balance are the secret code, heavy load, gentle road. Me carry wisdom, drop the pain, remain. From deep brown to open sky, me try. Heavy roots, light steps guide. Heavy roots, light steps free. Just deep. Me walk steady, me walk true. Roots hold, steps remove. Hey. Ay, 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 that's it, going to Jurassic, yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Me not shout, me not throw stone, but me stand solid like oat. Quiet fire in me tone, me own. Me rebel by choosing peace in a world addicted to beef. Me not encourage consent, me transcend. Anger loud but shortly flame. Cumber longer in the game. Me step different, slow and clear. Low fear. Me question system without hate, sharp but straight. Me nah need chaos fi disrupt truth enough. When them expect reaction fast, me pause. Outlast stillness, make them uncomfortable. Unstoppable, calm rebel. Steady flame, different aim. Calm rebel, mind awake. No fake. Me resist by staying whole. Protect me soul. Me not surrender joy to fight, that's me right. Me kindness confuse the wicked plan, stronger than clenched hand. Me not bow to fear command. Stand. When pressure push fini, me breathe free. Me no real power, nah scream. It remains. Silence sharper than blade. Armor reach never fail. Rooted and wise, clear eyes. Calm rebel, firm and clean. Serene. change pattern without noise. Different choice. From inner peace me start the fight, and win it right.
Ganja and reggae, yeah man. Me feel the heat rise from me skin, fire burn deep within. Me no burn for hate or fame, me burn for your name. Every spark of prayer, me know Jah dey near. Zion flame eternal bright, light up the night. Them try to cool the flame of love, but it rise from above. Me no need no gasoline, just spirit clean. Babylon fear the chant me sing, cause truth when me bring. Them build wall fi divide, but Jah dey inside. Me burn illusion, burn disguise. Open eyes, me burn corruption, greed and lie. Under Jah sky, fire purify my heart, set me apart. Deep me feel no pain, wash me chin. Pull it on, me look round, see suffer spread, but Rasta never dread. Me share my fire for the coal, me story told. The youth a light the flame again, free from chains. Zion fire guide them home, never alone. Me born for justice true, me born for you. The world can't sleep in the dark, me ignite the spark. No power stronger than Jah will be still. This flame never fade. Righteous made it, Jah in a Zion blaze. Light the world in righteous ways, from the hills to the shore. Jah love explore, fire in a Zion. I reach the sky, burn away the wrong, keep we strong. Me remember the stories told by the elders bold. Them say fire teach respect, keep mind correct. So me guard my flame like crown, never put down it warm the poor man night. Pure delight, me see them try for dim my spark, still me mark. Every rhythm me chant at night, guided light, me flame no weapon of war. It heals scar, burn away the hate. Open gate, me sit by the river edge. Make me pledge my fire for truth, not fame. Jah name, them ask why you still burn. Me say me still learn. Fire reveal what's real. Just seal. Me light it up for the world to see. Freedom for we. No fireman can cool this flame. All Jah name. We try in a Zion blade. Light the world in righteous ways, from the hills to the shore. Jah love explore, fire in a Zion. I reach the sky, burn away the wrong, keep we strong. So when my spirit gone, the fire live on. Zion blaze eternal bright, guide we light, we light, we light.
Tick loud, but me heart stay slow. Me nah race where me nah need go time a teacher. Not a threat, truth no sweat. Them want answer fast like headline news. Quick reaction, shallow views. But truth nah live on surface talk. You prefer quiet walk. Messy lies dress up nice and clean, but them proc when sun intervene. Me choose patience over rush. Let meaning flush. Every season kill mask away what fake can't stay. Truth help me, so it move with care, no need blare. Me watch time expose disguise, open eyes. What build pan rush collapse quick, but truth brick by brick. Truth don't rush, it arrive on time every time. Truth don't rush, it stand tall, outlast all. Me no pressure revelation, me with destination. Some knowledge come only when ready, heart steady. Me see them speak before them, no confusion grow. Me rather listen, observe a line, let truth shine. Truth no fear, inspection light, it survive. Lies tremble when questions slow. Truth flow. Me match me actions to me words. Let silence speak louder than words. Time got truth like sacred ground, till right moment found. Truth don't rush. Truth don't rush. Truth don't rush. Now man deep. Promiseless sheep. Truth don't rush. Truth don't rush. Pure and clean. Evergreen. When hype fade and nice decay, truth stay. Long after voice is done, truth still stands strong. Aye, 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 Zion Reggae, I'm on. At Zion's gate, the righteous stand. Just stretch forth his holy hand. It open wide, it open true. Zion's gate for me and you. No Babylon can bar the way. Zion's gate forever stay. Eternal entrance, pure and strong. Zion's gate, a holy song. Zion's gate, open wide. Jah forever be me guide. Through the doorway, light shall flow. Zion's gate, we all shall go. Oh. Ah. Oh. It welcome humble, welcome meek. Zion's gate, all people seek. Forever open, never close. Zion's gate, Jah love disclose. It shine with gold, it shine with flame. Zion's gate, exalt Jah name. Eternal pathway, bright and free. Zion's gate, for you and me. Me walk the road, me hear the call. Zion's gate, for one and all. No man denied, no chain can bind. Zion's gate, for all mankind. Forever holy, never still. Zion's gate, Jah holy will. From mountain high to valley low. Zion's gate, welcome child, it welcome all. Zion's gate, more bright than gold. Eternal open, strong and tall. Zion's gate, for one and all. When the trumpet sound again, Zion's gate still remain. It open wide, it never cease. Zion's gate, eternal peace, forever shining, pure and true. Zion's gate, for me and you. Holy entrance, flame of light. Zion's gate, forever bright. Step in, step through. Zion's gate, forever new. No bar, no lock can stop the way. Zion's gate, forever stay. Zion's gate, open wide. Jah forever be me guide. Through the doorway, light shall flow. Zion's gate, we all shall go. From age to age, from night to day, Zion's gate, the righteous way.
Rise up, me people, this is for my brothers and sisters, yeah, man. Flow, flow, Mystic River flow, carry where we need to go. Me drop me pen up on the stream, me chase me dream, Jack and pull me home. No need for roam. Me stand by the water edge, whisper my pledge, guide me Jah through storm and rain. Wash me pain, the river sing a sacred song, me sing along. My soul feel new again, free from chain. Me travel downstream slow, learning as me go. Each ripple teach me peace, all worry cease. The water cool me head, me spirit fed. Jah on inna the flow, now me know a mystic river roll. Cleanse me soul, carry me far, carry me free to Zion sea. Mystic river deep, secrets you keep, flow eternal strong. Where me belong, where me belong, where me belong, where me belong. Me see reflection of the sky, me spirit eye, every wave a sign from Jah. Blessed me are, me feel the healing star deep in my heart. The river whispers still, follow my will. Me bathe in the holy tide, me heart open wide. Me release what no belong, sing me song. Mystic river calm and wide, Jah inside, carry me truth away to brighter day. Me float and me pray, Jah guide me way. Mystic river speed, strength for the weak, yeah. Mystic river roll, cleanse my soul, carry me far, carry me free to Zion sea. Mystic river deep, secrets to keep, flow eternal strong. Where me belong, where me belong. So when my life turns slow, me let the current flow. Mystic river never end, forever my friend.
na 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 na. Oh, move, oh, bro. Na 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 na. Me rise with the morning sun. Work fi be done. Me no soldier with gun. Me rebel with drum. Peace me banner. Love me creed. Freedom me seed. Them say me too soft fi fight, but me shine light. Me conquer hate with grace. Face to face, them build empire fi greed. Me so good deed, me chant revolution pure. Me stand secure, me no need no weapon loud. Me move proud, every lyric a bullet clean. Cut through mean, them can't jail me tone. Me stand alone, peace warrior me be. Spirit free, Jah I peace. Stand up strong, right the wrong. Jah I peace. Chant your name, no shame. Oh, oh. Jah I peace. Stand up strong, right the wrong. Jah I peace. Chant your name, no shame. Oh, oh. Me walk where hate reside. Love me guide, them mock me style and wear. Me still pray, each step me taking time. Truth me rhyme, peace no weakness. It's just sweetness, me fight Babylon with smile. All the while, me see hope in every face. Love embrace, no more blood fi spill. Jah will, rebel of peace me call. Fi one and all, me hear the trumpet blow. Spirit grow. Peace no silence, it's defiance. Me lift me voice pon the hill. Still, sharp like peace. Stand up strong, right the wrong. Sharp like peace. Chant your name, no shame. Oh, sharp like peace. Worldwide call, unite we all. Sharp like peace. Heart pure, love endure. Oh, me no war, me no hate. Me change the fate. Rebel with peace till the end. One love, me friend. One love. Me.
Ay, ay, ay. Oh, ay, ay. Oh, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Me sit beneath a mango tree, listening to destiny talk to me. Cool breeze brush me face so mild. Nature soothe me like a child. Me watch the world spinning fast. People worry about future and past, but in a decile, truth remain. Growth can blossom after pain. Me plant a seed of hope today. Water it in every way. Small beginnings turn to might. With patience them grow right. Young ones ask me why life rough, why road sometimes feel too tough. Me tell them stories ancient strong. Show them how feel right the wrong. Give them guidance, give them care. Let them know Jah always there. Roots connect through deep foundation, building up a next generation. Roots of tomorrow, rising from the ground. Spread them through the city, echo through the sound. Hope at the soil where we defend. New creation pon the bend. Roots of tomorrow, hold them firm and true. Grow a better future for me and you. Me see elders reasoning slow, passing wisdom them always know. Me observe
drop it like morning dew. Every word feel bright and new. Me carry the teachings everywhere. Share them with people who need care. Roots strengthen heart and guide the mind. Show the beauty life can find. River flow through hill and plain. Teach resilience after rain. Me follow that and stay aligned. Let peace and clarity entwine. No hurry can disturb me pace. Me plant good deeds in every place. Roots spread wide and unify. Reaching up toward the sky. Me whisper thanks for every day. For blessings hidden in each way. Connection deep, vibration pure. Roots of love forever sure. Roots of tomorrow. Rising from the ground. Spread them through the city. Echo through the sound. Over the soil where we defend. New creation on the bend. Roots of tomorrow, hold them firm and true. Grow a better future for me and you. Me walk the earth with humble stride. Knowing roots always provide. Future blooming every seed. Grow the love that people need. Hey. Early dawn before the night's awake. Me feel the stillness shake. Quiet power move unseen. Strong yet clean. Me no shout to prove me worth. Me let action speak first. In a world obsessed with show, the strength grows slow. Pressure build me in a wall. Teach me how to never fall. Me hold composure under test. Calm me crest. Them mistake silence fi weak. What them not see the depth me seek. Still water hold the most weight. Same fate. Me conserve energy and fire. Burn higher. Silent strength, firm and true. Pull me through. Silent strength, deep inside. Me guide. Me listen when others talk loud. Wisdom hide in a crowd. Observation sharpen me sight. Prepare me fight. Me nah rush reaction quick. Me think me pick. Time reveal who solid stand. When pressure land, no it's fair. Echo gone, but quiet strength carry on. In silence, me build me throne. Power grows. Silent strength, calm and sure. Endure. Silent strength, steady flame, no shame. So when the low fights disappear, my strength still here. Na 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 na. me face slow. Sunrise off, the world still low. Me light the fire, me calm my mind. Ancient thoughts come drifting time. Me see them rush for silver and fame, lose them soul inna the game. Me choose the quiet, me choose the truth. Herb and meditation shape me youth. Smoke curl eye like prayer go. Me sip life from a humble cup. No crown pan head but me walk tall. Jah voice whisper through it all. Babylon chat but me no reply. Me eyes open, them can't blind eye. Every puff slow down the race. Me learn patience, me learn grace. Book and urban rhythm play. Teach me more than words them say. Me burn not fi escape pain. Me burn fi overstand the chain. Chalice and wisdom side by side. Truth and fire, me no hide. Chalice and wisdom pure and clean. Clear me sight, sharpen me dream. Me reason with me brethren deep. Some laugh loud, some barely speak. Every story carries scar. Every man know who them are. Smoke unite the mind them wide. Ego drop, no place for pride. No preach upon no golden throne. Just life lesson fully grown. Me see the moon reflect panting. Same light shine from deep within. Night cool, me heart still warm. Herb keep me calm in every storm. Me now worship the smoke alone. Me worship truth, me overstand. Plant a seed, give thanks, move slow. Let Jah work, let wisdom grow. Slow fire, steady flame. No rush life, no chastening. Every breath, a sacred sign. Everything come right on time. Chalice and wisdom side by side. Truth and fire, me no hide. Chalice and wisdom pure and clean. Clear me sight, sharpen me dream. One-anan, one-anan, one-anan. Chalice and wisdom side by side. Truth and fire, me no hide. Chalice and wisdom pure and clean. Clear my sight, sharpen my dream. When the ash falls off the ground, silence speak without a sound. Me rise lighter than before. Wisdom knock, me open the door.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Yo, me wake on golden sky, bird them fly. Light kiss the mountain peak, me ear just speak. Every new day, me give praise, Jah ways. Me rise up strong, me heart clean, me live me dream. No worry, no yet me whole, me spirit gold. Me see the sun bless the land, work with Jah and love shine bright like beam. Me supreme, me step through streets with smile. For a while people greet me with respect, no neglect. Golden morning, soul reborn, break the storm. Every breath me take me know, blessings flow. Yeah. Golden morning, light so true.
watch the breeze, life at ease. The youth play by the tree, so free. Me pray the world keep calm, full with song. Golden morning, teach again, Novin. Me see the elder beat the drum, chant for kingdom come. The village waking song, nothing wrong. Me know your plan, secure, that's for sure. Golden morning, pure delight, shine bright. Me no take darkness for friend, light transcend. Every sorrow fade away, new day, golden time, divine design, so fine.